Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus mixed with Skibidi Toilet mixed together, okay? Let's do this. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. So let's do it. Hey, how's it going? Let's get started on this mixture of Pomni and Skibidi Toilet. Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus. So it's easy, follow along with me, all right? Very simple. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over the face of Pomni. So right here I'm going to draw a curve like there down the top of Pomni's head. And curve around the side. And curve around the side here. Line underneath. Alright. So we have the roundness of Pomni's head so far, right? So we're going to go over here now. We're going to draw the very large circle for one of the eyes. And over here I'm going to draw a very large circle on this side. Okay, so far so good. Circle for the iris and pupil, or the, yeah, together, circle for iris and pupil. Alright, good. I'm going to just fill it in. Normally there's some color there, but I'm going to fill it in this time. I think it's easier to see. And we're going to draw a slightly small line. And it's got like a circle there, kind of have like a little bit of a surprise to it. Let's go over here. Curve for rosy cheek underneath. Curve right here for rosy cheek underneath. Over here down. For the hair sticking down, the bangs, up. Line over here, up. Go over here on this side. Curve down. Line up. Line up. Go over here on the center, and I'm going to draw a line out, down, down. Down over here, out, down. Circle, circle, kind of for the end of the tassels of the hat. Out over here, down. Line over here. Line over here. Over here, down. And I forgot something right here. So we're going to have the line down over here for the edge of the hair, line down there. Line over here, curve for the edge of the head. So hopefully you're with me so far, okay? And we're going to fill in a lot of this stuff right here. I'm going to leave a little bit of a line there, but I'm going to fill in the bangs right here. And by the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you like any of this stuff. If you like Skibidi Toilet or the Amazing Digital Circus or both, hit the like right now. The like really matters. It lets me know what you guys want to see more of. It's a big help. It takes less than 2 seconds to go over there and just click that like real quick. Just do it for me if you can right now. It helps a lot. Thank you. Gonna go down now. I'm gonna pull. Well, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna draw the line of the toilet right there. Okay, that's gonna be the toilet bowl right now. We're getting the Skibidi Toilet now part. Curve around the back. Curve around the back on this side. And line underneath. Line underneath. Alright, so we got that toilet so far, okay? So hopefully you're sticking with me. Out over here, down. Out over here, down. Curve underneath. For the bottom, top portion of the bottom part of the bowl of the toilet. Curve underneath right here. Curve underneath right here. Down. Down. Curve down. Line down. And curve underneath. Alright. Curve. Line down. line over here, up over here. Right there, toilet seat, right there. You got that toilet seat right there. All right. All right, circle over here. What would you call this character, by the way? Please, whatever you call this character, write it in the description, write it in the comments section. Circle right here for kind of that, that so it keeps from the lid from slamming down, kind of like. But what would you call this character, like, so far? What would you call this character, the mixture of Pomni and, Skibidi Toilet? I'm gonna pin the best name, so absolutely write it in the comment section. Curve up here, curve up here, for the back part of the toilet. Curve across here. Line here for the lid of the toilet. Line across here for the top. The top, the part that, what do you call it? Top of the back of the toilet. And then we're going to go over here, draw a little wedge right there for the actual, what do you call that? The thing that you flush the toilet with, the lever. I forgot what you call it. So let's go over here and kind of fix a couple of things. I would say maybe draw a line right here, kind of give it a little bit more dimension to this character. Line here, up, line over here, up over here, line, right? We're giving a little bit more, realism, and we're gonna actually fill in the mouth, for that kind of complete detailed area. And then maybe I'm gonna throw a little bit of a thicker line, along the head to make the head look like it's coming a little bit more forward. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to the free stuff in the description. There's a bunch of cool stuff there. There's an ebook there that's totally free. There's a lot of good resources. But there it goes, a little bit of a thicker line just to make that come forward. But what I mostly want you to do is I want you to do another video with me, okay? So the more videos you do with me, the better you get at this stuff. So let's do another video, whichever one comes up. So let's get started right now, okay? Let's get started right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.